Hi, my name is Maria Dinwoody, and this is video number 2 in bringing in your PDF scanned invoices along with any other invoices that have been sent to you individually from other companies. The very first thing we're going to do is go to Adobe Acrobat. I'm going to click on that to bring it in. The next thing you're going to do is go to See All Tools. And then you're going to choose Combine Files. It's then going to have an option to add files, and that's where you're going to actually go out and choose the files that you want to combine. I'm going to click on Add Files. And in this case, we're going to take a couple of different files. We've got a Comcast bill out here. I've got an S&A cleaning bill. In order to choose these when they're not continuous, you'll need to hold down your Control key while you're selecting them. And then I've got a Z Pro that I'd like to add in as well. And then I'd like to take the Scan 004 and add those all together. And if you notice, I've got 4 items here that I'm going to add. If I decide against a file at this point, all I need to do is hold down my Control key again and choose the file again, and it will deselect it. So we're going to add these files. And once we do that, you'll see each of these files listed. At this point, if you've forgotten something, you can go back and add more files by choosing Add Files again. And in this case, I'm actually going to choose my ClearFlow doc file because we can also add Word files here as well. Once I've done that, got all the files that I want, I can actually go over and combine the files together by choosing Combine. Once I've combined the files, they should be all together here. I can go out if I want to, as I did before in video 1, in More Tools, and I can organize the pages. We got the essay quality here, which should probably go a little further out, so I can click again and drag that back. I can drag my ClearFlow file in front of my Comcast bill by clicking and dragging it here. And then I can take my Home Depot file and bring it over behind the Comcast file. So I've got ClearFlow, Comcast, Home Depot, Real Page, and then an essay quality. I can then close this. Everything's in order. I go back and do what I was doing before with the stamp by simply coming to the invoice, coming to Edit Text and Images, and then adding the image. Again, adding the stamp, placing the stamp where I would like it, moving it around if I need to, and then coming in with Add Text to fill it out. You do the same thing that we did in the other one, just simply fill the whole thing out. I'm not going to fill it out because it's a training class. We're just going to go to the next one and show you again. We're going to add an image. Stamp. We're going to bring that onto the page where we like it where it is. And there it is. We can keep doing this all the way throughout the file again. And then in the end again, we're going to do a file save when we're finished. Save as. And you're going to name the file. Again, this is our directory or folder that mine is in. And I can name this file whatever I want. And then save it. Okay, at this point, you would send that file off to your property manager for approval.